Introducing the stunning 2020 Volvo Xc60 D4 Inscription in grey. This 5-door auto boasts a powerful 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission, perfect for any adventure. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and voice control, this vehicle ensures a luxurious ride every time. Safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking provide peace of mind on the road. The stylish chrome package and roof rails add a touch of elegance. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can buy with confidence. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.